welcome to Miss R channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at a tricky diagram that uses E and W to make U or U sound. When he's in a good mood, he says his full name. He says U, as in new. But when he's in a bad mood, he just says U, as in flu. And now let's look at some examples for U sound. U as in chew. U, chew. Let's try one more. U as in flu. Ooh, flu. Are you ready for the next example? Ooh, as in crew. Ooh, crew. Let's have a look at one more. Ooh, as in brew. Ooh, brew. Ooh, as in through. Ooh, through. And now let's look at E and W making U sound. U as in new. U, new. U as in few. U, few. U as in pew. U, pew. U as in view. U, view. U as in new. U, new. Can you think of any more? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.